Hi, how are you doing? This is Projects by Doing. Welcome to this series of hands-on sessions in which we familiarize ourselves with MySQL, one of the most popular databases. I'm Manu Vasudevan, Data Analyst and Certified AWS Solutions Architect at your service. The target audience is aspiring data analysts. What good is any knowledge when not put to good use? Join us in our SQL journey in which we explore some basic SQL commands, as usual, by doing. In this episode, we will explore parts of MySQL Workbench. In the previous episode, we had installed the MySQL community version. It consists of two parts, the MySQL engine, which runs in the background, and the MySQL Workbench, which presents the user interface. In your desktop, click on the MySQL Workbench icon. We also pinned it to our taskbar. Let's connect to the default local instance, MySQL 80. Note that the connection port is 3306. Click on the local instance MySQL 80. Key in your root password and click OK. On the top right of MySQL Workbench, click on the Maximize window icon. The SQL Additions panel on the right has Context Help and Snippets tabs. This Help panel can be hidden by clicking on the little window icon on the top right of the toolbar. Let's go over parts of the MySQL Workbench. Menu. In the menu, we have these options. File and Edit, to save, edit, and manage SQL files. View, to manage the layout of your workstation. Query, to execute selected queries. Database and Server, to manage your databases. Tools, to configure connectivity to databases. Scripting, to automate routine tasks like unit and integration testing. And Help, a guide to more information about MySQL Workbench. Toolbar. Icons give one-click access to frequently used menu options without having to navigate the menus and submenus. You can hover over each to know their exact function. Editor. Here in the Editor window, you can write, edit, and save files using the disk and folder icons. Also, execute your queries by clicking the lightning bolt icons. Another toolbar here affords quick access to various editing functions from the Edit menu. Output shows the result of your executed queries. For example, a red X mark which shows the failure of the query. Otherwise, you will see a green check mark indicating success. In this case, I just tried a random select query. We'll learn more about queries later. The output window can be cleared by right-clicking the error message and selecting Clear. Navigator, Schemas. This section shows you the maps of different databases. When expanded, the schema will show the database's tables, functions, views, and procedures. The Object Info panel shows the selected object's details. Session Info details your connection to MySQL, including the product and version number of your installed MySQL product. Keep in mind that all these sections are elastic panels that can be expanded or shrunk by clicking and dragging the mouse. Congratulations! We have learned about different functions within the MySQL Workbench. In subsequent episodes, we'll apply these functions while querying our fictional dataset based on our schema shown in Part 1. Stay tuned for more! To keep us motivated to produce more of such high-quality free content, please subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button below, leave a comment or two, and share this video with your colleagues, friends, and other budding data analysts. Thanks for watching! Until our next session, this is Manu Vasudevan wishing you a very happy Projects by Doing. Stay tuned and hit the bell icon below to be notified of our latest and greatest project videos.